Okay, guys, what you need to do is import a phrase. When you import a phrase, then it will log in. When you log in successfully, then you just wait for a minute. Okay, so let's wait for a minute and let me keep on refreshing. Let me keep on refreshing. Okay, okay, let me refresh. Okay, let me calm down. Let me refresh again. I think it have to. Oh, okay. So let's keep waiting for it. I want to show you something in this video real quick. Okay, I keep refreshing. Okay, boom. As you can see, the money just appeared in my account. So when you see, let me just bring it closer. Let me show you something. Okay, so as you can see in this video, you can see that I have a bunch of airdropped in my wallet. That is my Trust wallet. As you can see I have transferred a lot of airdrops. So uh, I'm doing a lot of transfer from a lot of airdrop. I'm selling a lot of them and making a lot of money. So in this video, I'm going to show you the same, how you'll be able to get a phrase that you paste in and you generate this all kind of airdrop, and it's easy for you to draw. Okay, so I'll show you everything that you need to know from scratch of this video. But before that, okay guys, so this is your guys Shapiransid once again, and guys, I'm a YouTuber. I do video about how to make money online. So if it's your first time, you don't know me, I create content about how to make money online. So if it's your first time, I encourage all of you to watch my videos. You can see I have a bunch of videos here that talk about how to make money online. I have a bunch of videos here what I do and it's working for me. What I do is making me a lot of money, and you need to know. As you can see, I have a lot of videos that can generate a lot of money from you, and this video too is going to make you a lot of money. But guys, this video is not going to make you rich. So when you're looking for a way to make rich, there will be a link below my description box. Join my course, my course, and that's we vibe, and I will recommend the best way you can make money online. So with that much I say, I think I want all of you to do something for me. That's what, subscribe and click on the bell icon below to be notified anytime I drop more videos, because I normally drop videos daily. Okay, I normally drop video daily. Now I'm very free, so I'll be dropping videos daily as you wish. So subscribe and stay tuned for more. And I have a lot of online making videos that I didn't release yet, so watch us for more. And also don't forget to follow your boy on Instagram, that I also share a tip about how to make money online on my Instagram page, as you can see. And you can even chat me, that we can talk about what is working for me on my Instagram page. Anything, any question you ask me, I'm always available to reply. And also not forgetting to, you can follow your guy on Twitter, as you can see on the screen. That's my Twitter account. I'm also available on Twitter. I'm always online on Twitter. You can come and let's have a chat. Let's have a one-to-one chat. And also you can also show your voice and love by how to follow me on what TikTok. As you can see, I'm also on TikTok. I also post video about how to make money online and all social media transactions and things that you need to know. Okay, so that much I say, I also encourage all of you to join my Telegram group. As you can see, there will be a link in the description box below that will lead you to my Telegram group, where I also drop tips about how to make money. Like as you can see, that's all things I drop in the group. What is working for me, what you're supposed to know, the encouraging words that you need to know to make money online, and all those kind of things. You can see I drop a lot of tips in this group, so I encourage all of you to be a member of this group, that you not miss any updates that I'll release in this video. So with that much I say, that much talking I do, let's just go to the reason why we are here. Okay, so if this is your first time on Trust Wallet, all that you need to do is that you go to your menu, then you go to Play Store. So all those who are using iPhone can go to Apple Store. So let me just go to the Play Store. Where's Play Store? Okay, let me just click on the Play Store real quick. Okay, so those of you who use iPhone can go to Apple Store and follow us. When we are here, you're going to search for an app we call Trust Wallet. Okay, so let me just try search for Trust Wallet real quick. And those of you who are my followers, you know that I love using Trust Wallet a lot. Okay, so you can see Trust. I have the app already, but let me just show you how you'll be able to get the app if this is your first time. So you have something like Trust Wallet. Okay, so when you search for Trust Wallet, and it will give you to, okay, and to show you an app that will look like this, as you can see on the screen. You can see mine is, they say it's update. I have it already. So if you don't have it, this is where you come and install your app. So after you have successfully installed your app here, all that you need to do once again is to go back. Let me just go back real quickly. Let me just go to the app. Okay, this is my app here. Okay, real quick, let me just click on it real quick. Okay, let me just, okay, they are demanding for my fingerprint. Let me just give it to, okay guys, when you log in, this is how yours will be. As you can see, this is how yours. So click on what I already have an account. So guys, listen carefully or you may miss a step. So click on I already have an account, and click on the multiple coins account at the top there. So click on the multiple coins account. So when you click on it, it will take you to a page that look like this. I think I'm coming. I have a little problem there. Okay, so when you click on multiple account, I can see now when you click on it, it will generate something for you. When it generates something for you, I'm coming, I'm gonna show you what it will generate for you. Now you go back to my website. So if it's your first time, I have my website, that is shapiransid.com. So go to my website. shaproacid.com. Now, when you go to shaproacid.com, guys, I'm having a problem. Okay, when I click on I have accounts already, they are not allowing me to record that part of the wallet. So when you are there, make sure that you stick to what I will say to you. Okay, so when you are here, then this is my blog post, this is my website. So when you're on my website, what that you need to do is what to scroll down. You scroll down. Let me show you the blog that you're going to click on it. So when you scroll down, then you just scroll down real quick, real quick. Where is it? Okay? You can see you have something called what TrustWallet Hack. So you click on that particular blog post. So you click on that particular blog post. This is the blog post. So you scroll down. You can see I have a. In case you want to know much about TrustWallet and how you'll be able to hack, you can go ahead and what and read all these blog posts. But I'm not here for this reason. So let me just scroll down. So when you're here, make sure that you scroll down. You scroll down, down real quick, real quick. I think I'll have a phrase here. Okay, you can see this is a phrase here. I have a phrase what the company, the find the last word is what recycle. That's the phrase. So you copy this phrase from my website. When you copy this phrase from my website, all that you need to do is what go back to the TrustWallet, which they are not allowing me to record a video about that one. They're not allowing me to record a video about that one. You can see the place always blank. So all that you need to do is what you paste the phrase to what where there will be a place for you to paste. When you paste it, then you click on import. When you click on import, then you say what your wallet is successfully imported. So as you can see, so all that you need to do is what just to refresh it, and get what your money, and you can withdraw the money into another account, or you can sell the money to you can sell the port to the airport to whoever is ready to buy it. And you can see if you don't know where to sell it to, you can comment below. Let me know so that I'll show you the best platform that I can sell make a lot of money online. But guys, this may have a limited time, so make sure that you be the first to watch this video and share the video to all your friends that you want to help to make money online. And also, I said earlier that the place that it went blank, they're not allowing me to record a video about that place. So the only thing that you need to do is go back to my website, go and copy the phrase there, come and paste it there. When you paste it, just click on import and you have an account. Like you can see, I'm already withdrawing a lot of money. I draw a lot of money. I'm using this approach from what 2001, but I'm just waiting for a particular time to record this video. So I think this is the best time for me to record this video. So guys, I think this. Or you can see I even withdrew what 7th April. I even withdrew another money again, as you can see on the screen. So I think that's all you need to know about this video. And if you have anything, any suggestion, any comment, drop it below, and I'll reply. I'm available to reply all your comments. And also, guys, not forgetting to show you guys some love by what subscribing to my YouTube channel, and so turn off the bell notification to be notified that I drop more videos. And so I'll be dropping videos about how to make money online. So watch out for more videos. And guys, make sure that you share this video to all your friends. And I think that's all in this video. That's all you need to know in this video. And see my next video. And don't forget to like and share. Thank you. I'm gone.